Hey Wyatt, is this going to be our last swinging video? Say, we've almost outgrown this thing. Say, what is the weight limit? Huh? Say, we've almost outgrown it. Yeah. See, we're a big boy now. This is a baby swing for little bitty babies. Not for giant babies. No. See, I'm already wearing my onesie that says it's supposed to be for a 1-year-old. Yeah. I'm a big boy now. Say, I'm a big boy. Here. That's your octopus. Silly baby. Big boy. Yes. Say, I am a big boy. Say hello. Hi. Hi, baby. Say, I can't swing in this much longer. The motor won't take it. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Okay. So this is probably going to be my last swinging video. At least in a baby swing. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's a good boy.